How to log in to Hulu account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Hulu account. To log into your Hulu account, first of all, ensure that you have already created an account on it. Now once you have done that, open any web browser on your device that you prefer. Once you open the web browser, here in the search bar type in hulu.com. This is the official URL of Hulu. Once you have entered this keyword, press on enter button to search for it. And then you will be taken to the official website of Hulu. Once you reach to this homepage, here at the top right, you will be able to locate the login button. Now simply click on this login button and then now you will be presented with a login interface. In this interface, you will need to enter your email address associated to your account. Once you have entered your email address, click on this continue button right here. By doing so, you will be proceed to next step. In this pop-up, now you will be prompted to enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password here. You may also click on the I button at the right side of the password after entering it in order to reveal and check if you have entered it correctly or not. And in case if you don't remember your password or you are facing trouble to logging into your account, having trouble logging in, at the bottom, and then from there you will need to follow the instructions in order to recover or reset your password. And once you have reset your password, you will need to enter your new password in this field and then click on this login button right here. After doing that, now a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email address. Also note that this code will be expired in 15 minutes. You will need to enter it before the time. If in case you don't enter it in time or if you didn't receive the code, you may also click on this recent link at the bottom in order to receive a new one. Now once you receive the email from Hulu, you will need to enter it in this field. Click on this continue button at the bottom and then wait for a while. And after that, you will see you have been successfully logged into your Hulu account. Now you can start streaming on Hulu. So by following these steps, you should be able to log in to your Hulu account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.